What's going on, everyone? Tony Ivanov here with another video lesson, and today it's going to be a live trade on cryptocurrency, so stay tuned for that. But first I have to give away my $25. If you're new to the channel, every single day I give away $25 and it goes to the random commenter of the previous video lessons. So if you want a chance to win $25, all you have to do is leave a like, leave a subscription, and leave a comment down below, and you'll enter into the raffle. So let's see who won this time. So let it do its thing. And Lewis, I appreciate the comment. He says great content. Thank you so much. Just make sure that you you message me on YouTube with your PayPal email address, and I'll send over that $25. So hope you guys enjoy the live trade, and I'll see you guys in the next video. What's going on, everyone? Tony Ivanov here with another video lesson, and today it's actually going to be a live trade of me doing a cryptocurrency trade on VIB against Ethereum. I did this trade around 2 days ago, and I made around $600 on this trade within, I think it was about a 1 hour trade total. Very easy trade. You can see I bought the gradual descending wedge trend line break right there. You can see the price has broken over that descending trend line that I've drawn out, and right there is where I bought around $4,000 worth of VIB. I believe it's VIB. I'm not sure. I just trade the coins. I don't care about the fundamentals or anything like that. I just trade the price action, and you'll see that this ends up being a very good trade. Like I said, I made around $600 on this trade. So just around 13% in around 1 hour, which is awesome, you know. The cryptocurrency market recently has been kind of shaky. It hasn't been as volatile in the month of January. It was a lot more volatile in December, and it was a lot easier to make these quick trades. But now it seems like we have to do more of these longer term trades. So this right here time frame is actually the 5-minute chart. So right now we're just watching the price action. We're trying to see if it's going to make higher lows. You know, my risk level is right there on that horizontal trend line. That is the bottom support of this play, and if it breaks below that, I'm going to cut my losses. You have to manage your risk when you're trading. You always have to have a plan of where you're gonna buy, where you're gonna sell, and where you're gonna cut your losses. And you can see right there, it's starting to break out. It is making new highs, and it's starting to make an uptrend. So we're getting a bunch of buying volume here, and it is just squeezing up, but I'm not selling yet. I am aiming to have a bigger win this trade, because I know you have to be trading longer term in this type of market because it's not moving as fast. You can see right here it's really accelerating now. It's going really well into my favor, and right there I take some off, but my order didn't hit right there, so I'm just readjusting my order. I'm selling half of my tokens, you know, just to lock in some of those solid profits, because this is a pretty nice run so far, and it does look like it's a bit overextended, so I'm just locking in some profits there. Although the thing is that I'm still going to hold half of my coins and wait until we have that next move higher. So right now I'm noticing kind of a wedge pattern here with the flat top, and right there it's starting to break out, so it looks like it's going to go even higher. So I'm still holding half my coins here, just waiting until we have that next move up, and we're going to see it goes a bit higher here, has one last squeeze, and then it'll start the downturn. So you know, this is a very nice pattern, and the key elements that you have in this type of pattern is you have a previous run, a previous a quick run, and then it pulls back, makes higher lows on the 5-minute chart, and then the Bollinger Bands have a nice squeeze there, and then you wait until it breaks that downtrend, and then you buy on that increased buying volume. So you can see right there it's going even higher. I'm still holding some of my coins. Now I do not get the exact top of the spike, but that's no big deal. Right here's when it starts to run really fast, and I locked in another hit there. So you can see it's squeezing up really fast now, and here's where I start to sell the rest of my tokens, my coins. And you'll see I end up with around 3.86 Ethereum, and I started out this trade with about 3.33, so that was a total gain of around $600, mainly because when I traded this, the prices of Ethereum were right around 1,260. So there's that trade. Very nice trade. And then you know, that was basically it. So hope you guys enjoyed that little live trade. I'll try to do some more of these. If you saw some value in this content, I'd appreciate it if you could leave a like, leave a subscription, leave a comment down below for a chance to earn $25, and I'll see you guys in the next video.